This video I'll be showing you an improvement that I did to the bell housing, to the starter portion of the bell housing. As you can see, there's a bolt coming through the bell housing there, through the other side, and that's a 7/16 bolt. It's kind of rare, this size. I could have gone to 1/2 inch, but I didn't want to go too big because then the larger the hole, the weaker the holding part you have. So that's a 7/16 bolt, and the original holes were like 3/8, so I've enlarged. On the top one I've just drilled it out because the drill would fit here. The bottom one I wasn't able to drill it out, so I just tapped it out. By tapped it out I mean with the tap and die, so I made threads there. So the reason I did that is because the hole on the starters themselves is 7/16. However, the hole on the bell housing was 3/8. So it originally came with a weird shaped bolt that is thicker, and then it funnels out. It becomes thinner, so it has two different thicknesses. And I ended up losing that bolt, so that's why I didn't like that it was complicated and rare size of bolt. So that's my improvement there.